this is a horny teenager.
Horny and also like very aggressive
Very
about
aggressive
the
about
love.
it. This is a part of Maddock universe,
हाँ.
but this is a spiritual successor to Kabir Singh and Animal. Okay, पता है कि ये मेरी बंदी है, मेरी ही रहेगी, ठीक है? There was few kids like just behind, and one kid at one point said, ये कॉमेडी नहीं है. I was like, yeah, absolutely right. ये कॉमेडी नहीं है.
Hello everyone, my name is Devleena Ray.
My name is Abhishek Singh.
Welcome back to you know the drill. But Abhishek, tell me something.
Yeah.
How are you feeling about this recent fandom that you are receiving?
Oh.
Every other reel is about you.
अभिषेक मैं तुम्हारे बिना रह नहीं पाऊँ.
Overwhelmed. Blessed.
If you are an Abhishek, how are you feeling? I'm like, oh my god, Abhishek, I love you, Abhishek.
I love you अभिषेक.
Every other reel is this.
Suddenly Abhisheks are in demand.
Oh my god, I'm like, एक और रील कौन सा था? Oh my अभिषेक, इतनी बारिश हो रही है,
Right.
तुम अंदर रहो, तुम तो उड़ जाओगे.
अभिषेक घर के अंदर रहना, बाहर दे तो कितनी जोर हवा चल रही है.
And I'm just forwarding all reels to you. Oh my god, good demand.
नहीं, good demand. I'm so happy.
I think this Abhishek की जो भी reels आ रहे ना, these
Right.
are like so frequent. It reminds me of what we are going to be discussing. Munjia. Munjia is also one irritating fellow like this. Reels on Abhishek also, but in a
Right.
very funny way. So
Yeah.
today we are going to be discussing about this not really newly released movie, but still in our recent times, 2
Yeah.
weeks back, and I think we are also the victim of FOMO.
Yeah.
Because we have been receiving so much of word of mouth marketing and also in social media as well. So much of marketing was happening suddenly after the release of the movie that we wanted to actually go and experience what is this all about.
Right. That's a good thing actually about a movie. If after coming out there is a hype, because आने से पहले hype तो बहुत लोग करते हैं.
That
But,
is all
yeah,
about marketing,
That's
right?
all
But
about marketing. Yes.
I mean, afterwards, whatever happened with Lapata Ladies, we
Yes.
all are aware of how wonderful that movie is. I think हम दोनों बोल सकते हैं कि थिएटर में देखने का घमंड है हमारे में.
Right.
But I think similarly for this also, there is a lot of good word of mouth marketing that is happening. And let me tell you guys, you will not be disappointed. So if you are planning to, or if you still were thinking, or you are doubtful whether to, whether this lives up to the hype or not, I think it does. And
अच्छा मतलब मूवी अच्छी लगी ना? Good joke.
oh, you will understand what is this all about. But speaking of that, I think इस movie में भी जैसे वो of course this is also part of this Maddock universe, Mad Maddock universe.
Yeah.
Again, this was not really known to me, not known to us also. You were also not really aware that this is a Maddock film,
Yeah,
right?
I knew because I saw the trailer somehow a little before. So
Okay.
I did see the trailer, but I was not hyped for it, honestly.
I had no clue that this is a Maddock
Yeah.
films or what is Munjia, when is Munjia releasing. I did not even watch any trailer. I think बस एक दो बार only in वही social media में
Right.
viral बयानीज और इनके
Yeah.
social media से like I used to just get certain information
Right.
that there is this character, but I was not really hyped about the character because it looked very you.
Yeah, I mean
So-
like that was my reason also why I was not hyped.
Okay.
Because I saw the trailer and I looked at the creature or the character and it looked like from a designing perspective it was good, but then it's like you could have rendered it a little more, just to put it out there as form of a trailer. I'm like, it doesn't seem to be in the same league as Bhedia and the other Maddock films somehow. So that was something that was switching me off. The actors
in the trailer.
the actors were not like A-list or even B-list. These are like very new folks. So I'm like, the actors are new, the CGI is not rendered properly, and it did not give away much plot points, thankfully. So that's why I was not hyped, but yes.
I think that is what happens whenever you are onboarding or you're doing any movie with absolute
Yeah.
newcomers.
Right.
Of course, Sharvari is not an absolute newcomer,
Yeah.
but she still can be considered because we were literally waiting. We were literally discussing that where is Sharvari? We are not even
Right.
seeing her on the screens,
Yeah.
and we are glad that at least she is here. But I should definitely be speaking about the lead character, Abhay Varma. Let me just put it out. I'm married, but he's cute.
छन से जो टूटे कोई सपना
ये देखो सौतन लोग आ गए.
अरे अभिषेक, आपके तो इतनी डिमांड है.
आई लव यू अभिषेक.
मैं थोड़ा अभय वर्मा को लेके तो मैं थोड़ा सा तो मैं हाइप हो ही सकती हूँ.
Right.
But he is cute and he has a very fresh. He has a very fresh presence on the screen.
Right, that is true. That is true. I mean, like he played the role of a nerd very well. Like, so yeah. So I think he did his role very well. Now the cast is Abhay Varma playing the role of Bittu. Then there is Sharwari playing the role of Bela. His love interest. His love interest basically. There's Mona Singh. She's playing the mom of Bittu. And
the Punjaban mom.
The Punjaban mom, and like she has been doing Punjaban mom for quite a while.
For
now.
a while.
Like a lot of movies she has done where she's the mom and Punjaban both. So
I think that Punjabi accent comes very naturally to her.
yeah.
I just hope she does not. I mean, she
Doesn't
she
get
keeps
typecast,
on. Yeah, she keeps on experimenting. But
Right.
haan.
But yeah, talking about the main character. Okay, so this is a horny teenager. Okay, this is something I did not know from the trailer. At least maybe I did not catch on that well. I mean, I'll have to watch the trailer again, but I did not catch on how horny is this teenager. Probably more horny than American Pie. Okay, that you would have seen in college. So I mean, like
Horny and also like very aggressive.
very
about
aggressive
the
about
love.
it. भाई मतलब okay, so
छोटा बच्चा है वो.
so this is a part of Maddox universe,
हाँ.
but this is a spiritual successor to Kabir Singh and Animal. Okay, because भाई को प्यार हो जाता है ऐसे ही बिना किसी
हाँ.
रीजन के, और टॉक्सिक वाला प्यार हो जाता है कि ये मेरी बंदी है, मेरी ही रहेगी, ठीक है. ही इज रेडी टू सैक्रिफाइस इवन हिज फैमिली मेंबर्स फॉर इट.
You are right actually. मतलब animal लोगों को हम लोग मतलब we have actually talked so much shit about those movies.
Right.
But ये बंदा भी कम नहीं है. It is just
Yeah.
of course it's a horror comedy movie because it
Yeah.
is again part of the Maddox universe
Right.
and they have always been creating this horror comedy series
Yeah.
only. But
हाँ.
you are right.
हाँ, मतलब ये प्यूबर्टी हिट भी नहीं किया भाई ने, लेकिन गजब एकदम प्यार हो रखा है पागल वाला.
And the girl is actually 7 years elder to her.
Yeah.
To him.
Yeah, exactly. मतलब he doesn't give a damn. Okay, मतलब कुछ मतलब नहीं है भाई, प्यार है तो है, मुझे चाहिए तो चाहिए कैसे भी करके. ओके, सो आई एम लाइक भाई पहले मुझे लगा कि मे बी इट इज इनोसेंट वाला प्यार होता है ना बच्चों को कि अरे यार मुझे पसंद है यार, अरे मुझे अच्छी लगती है. नहीं, वैसा नहीं. इट इज भाई I'll do whatever it takes.
And with whatever it takes, it also means he was ready to sacrifice his own sister.
His sister, yeah.
वो तो बीच में से ये खुद बलि का बकरा बन गया. That is a different story.
Right.
But
Straight away goes to Satan. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि चलो ठीक है, maybe I'll try to talk to the girl, maybe I'll try to send a letter. नहीं, सीधा I'll go to
Black
Satan.
magic.
Black magic. I'll go to Satan. I'll worship. Maybe he will grant me the wish, and that is how he gets entangled in the process of becoming a bhoot or whatever, munjia. So basically, Kabir Singh में it was Kabir Singh. ठीक है, फिर इसमें रणविजय सिंह in Animal. तो ये भाई बोले कि भाई क्या आप अपर कास्ट सिर्फ सिंह लोग ही करोगे, हम भी ब्राह्मण हैं. We also need representation in toxic males. Okay, so this is a Brahman, teenage boy who gets into all this, to find love of his life and becomes Munjia.
I am speechless. But
Yeah.
what else to say? I think, but Munjia, this character is very irritating.
चिमटी निकाले बिट्टू ने चिमटी मैंने
Very irritating.
Toxic, yes. Now we
Yeah.
have established he's toxic also.
Yeah.
But he's very irritating. He's
Right.
like our this micromanager bosses नहीं होते हैं जो
Right.
मतलब हर 2 सेकंड में follow up करता रहता है.
What is the update? Where is she?
Where is
Did
the
you find
fight?
her?
Oh my god, he is so much into this follow-ups that I mean, like every next second, and there is one funny insertion also of this song, right? Whenever because he is in search of Munni.
Munni. Yeah, Munni is the girl that he has been looking for.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So beach mein though there is a funny insertion also of the song because nobody knows who is this Munni, right? Because वो मुंजिया तो मर गया बचपन में
Right.
और अभी तो मतलब 20 साल बाद या फिर 25 साल या पता नहीं 40 साल बाद
बहुत टाइम बाद है
बहुत
क्योंकि
time बाद।
ग्रैंडफादर के टाइम पे था.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली
Grandmom के time पे.
ग्रैंडमॉम के टाइम का है.
हाँ.
तो मतलब nobody knows who is this मुन्नी. So there is a funny insertion of मुन्नी बदनाम हुई डार्लिंग तेरे लिए. So people are like asking is this the Munni you're referring to?
Right.
But we actually felt, you know what, there could have been a better insertion of a better song.
Better song, yeah. Which was Oh Meri Munni. That would have been amazing if they chose that song for this movie. Would have been amazing.
because that is what he actually does.
Yeah,
Worshipping Munni, finding Munni,
right, absolutely.
and chasing life of that one person, Abhay
Yeah,
Varma,
right.
Bittu, to find Munni.
Yeah. So just to quickly summarize the plot, basically it's a teenage boy who got in love with this girl, become Munjia. The Bittu character is also from that village. He goes back to the village for some reason, for he has some family function to attend to, and he kind of gets in
Ruku's engagement is there.
The
the cousin's
engagement. The cousin's engagement is there, and while being there, he gets to terms with some of his past, what happened to his father, and just gets entangled in this mystery of what is Munjia and how Munjia gets attached to this person.
Yeah, and it is also linked to that jungle, Chitukiwadi, that place is also there, where all these mysterious events keep on happening.
And if you saw the trailer, it is kind of like Shutter. I mean, if you have seen the movie Shutter, you will know.
Yes.
Like he is basically like Betal on the shoulder, like all the time telling
All
him
time
what to do,
he's
what
like
to do,
this.
what to do. And then later he has to figure out how to get rid of Munjia. That is the whole point of it. And and Sharwari,
and there is some sort of a linkage also in his family as well, because his grandmother is actually the sister of Munjia.
Yeah.
So his father also actually sees all this vision, and somehow he dies because of all these things.
Right.
But this as an event was not really known to Bittu.
Yeah.
But then he gets to know about
Right.
it, and lot of events keep on happening. I think it's better left to you people to watch. Such movies are really not meant to be explained really.
Yeah, actually.
Wikipedia में बहुत descriptively mentioned है.
सही
You
बात
can
है.
go and watch that also, but it's better to watch in theaters.
Yeah, absolutely. So I think the plot is something that keeps on going very, at a good pace. Like there's
Gripping story.
gripping story, and the atmosphere was good. I mean, like, because I told you right that CGI was not so great. So,
But I'll tell you
but
what.
we did not feel it.
For me, the CGI was not really a problem.
Hmm.
The frequent appearance
Of him was a problem.
of him was a problem because he had a very
Shrill voice.
like
Ah.
like this kind of a voice, and it was like in every second wo bas munni karta raha tha.
Yeah.
So it was more about the frequent appearance of the person of that character, which was more problematic for me. CGI was not really that much.
Exactly. I mean, the atmosphere was good. Like they could build a horror out of it. Okay, so like some people were actually scared. So there was few kids like just behind, and one kid at one point said, "ये comedy नहीं है." I was like, "You're absolutely right. ये comedy नहीं है. Your parents duped you into being here, right?" So the atmosphere was good. Like they actually pulled off the horror even while having some comedy elements in it, and the comedy is subtle again. So like I really like that joke where he's trying to kill the sister, and he's like, नर बलि देनी पड़ेगी. She's like, मैं तो नर नहीं हूँ. तो फिर बोलता है ठीक चलेगा. Something like that. So very subtle, very cool jokes are there in this movie.
Few offs, because Sachin Jigar movies, songs, that too in Maddock, all the movies have given some or the other good hit songs.
Very good songs and other movies, yes.
Here it was not really at par. Even Sharwari's character did not really leave a mark per se. Although we were very excited to watch her, she's also a natural. She's just not getting enough opportunities to shine through the screens. But I feel there was not enough meat in her role.
Yeah.
And also there is a Bhoot character in her also, but she does not look cute. She does not look, मतलब स्त्री में जैसे श्रद्धा कपूर is still looking beautifully some black magic woman, right? यहाँ पे वैसा नहीं था. She did not look good actually. I did not like it.
हाँ, somehow मतलब for me, I mean like looks aside, she did not have a memorable role, because if you see any Maddock movie, you see Stree itself, you see Ruhi, you see Bhediya, then तेरी बातों में ऐसा उलझा जिया. Every movie had a female character which was memorable. You will remember them after the movie ended. Here it was not so. She was just a love interest. So anyway, so that was there. As far as the Munjia goes, so as you rightly said, the frequency of it was coming too often on the screen. And horror movies for me works the best when the characters are less on screen and they're implied. Their presence is implied.
And there is a, in Bengali we say tan tan uttejanamay every time.
Yeah, exactly.
It's like there has to be that feeling of fear.
Constant feeling.
Not like ye sir pe baitha hai and
हाँ.
okay now I'm supposed to be afraid.
Yeah, because you don't have to see it. You are like, bhai kuch gira, some object fell off, someone is pulled into darkness, and someone is whispering from a distance. Those kind of things actually create better horror. So that is something I felt could have been better.
The good part here I will say is just there are a lot of Hollywood horror movies which we end up watching, and we see our Indian audience only laughing at them.
Yeah.
Here at least it was not the case.
Actually.
People actually respected the fact that it is a horror,
Yeah, very true.
also a comedy movie, and people were actually horrified and petrified at certain times, and it was required.
Actually, you're absolutely right. This I did not notice, but you're right. I mean, like even in Stree, if you remember, they were laughing at jokes, but they were not laughing at the horror
element.
They were horrified by it. They were really scared कि यहाँ कुछ हो रहा है. So somehow Maddox Films does pull off horror really well in those kind of scenes.
I think we will keep it on until here because now I feel we are ourselves repeating our statements.
Yeah.
So you just go and watch the movie.
Yeah.
Better है आपके लिए.
Actually, this is a good movie to watch in theaters, and absolutely you should watch it right now. Because you know what, I'm just bothered that there are so many good movies out there and people are not watching it enough. Theaters are like empty or at least semi-filled. We are not seeing like the mad rush which is supposed to be there for such good movies. We saw Chandu Champion, we saw this movie. Before this, we saw English movies like, for example, Challengers, Mad Max. Where are people? Why are they not seeing movies? I have no clue.
I also feel, what, why did these people not really invest that much in marketing?
Okay, maybe.
This is a movie as per data, as per Google, Wikipedia and everything. 30 crores movie का budget रहा है इसका, and they have already reached around 50 crores. So they are going to be making the numbers break even हो चुका है.
Break even हो जाएगा.
Profitability की तरफ they are absolutely progressing towards.
Yeah, but वही कि मतलब.
But they did not do any marketing at all.
Yeah.
It's good that probably they placed the trust. Or maybe they knew that, despite whatever we end up doing, there is not going to be a natural pull, which an SRK, Salman movies are naturally, or even Alia Bhatt movies are going to be having. Now, I think it is totally left up to us, the audience, to be doing the due diligence to such good movies which are getting made. So, go show the honor and respect to these movies in the theatres.
Yeah. And just one last thing, one spoiler thing that I wanted to tell you. With something I noticed, it is that all the Maddox movies does not have a happy ending to the love story. All the Maddox movies, none of them.
Yeah.
I don't know why. I mean, I would want to read about it, but this is a common thread I saw across. So, yeah.
Actually, yes.
We'll have to read about it. Why is it so? I mean, like, what is the thought behind this?
Director दुखी है.
कुछ तो है, हाँ, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. We'll have to figure out.
प्यार में भरोसा नहीं करता है. That's it from our side. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening to our Bug Buck. We are going to be coming back with a fresher Bug Buck very soon. Stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
रांझड़ दे यार मुझे आ, सुन ले पुकार मुझे आ, तू ही तो यार मुझे आ, हाफिज मेरा मुर्शिद मेरा.
What? Sorry. What is the context?
Look, I mean, like next time when you hear the word Munjia, the movie, I mean, you will always remember this song. अच्छा लगे या ना लगे.
That is a good one.
Yeah. Done.
Good job.
Thank you.
Abhishek, I love you, Abhishek. Bye.
Bye.